Seems legit.
Good morning, Legitimates. We are going to do an unboxing. This one is from Merezen. The reason I ordered this, I am on a fabric ban technically, but I had to order it to do a custom order. And I don't like to just buy one thing. I feel like that's a waste of postage. It makes the individual item more expensive. So what I like to do is buy like a few things, and then it lowers the overall cost of each item with the postage. But then, you know, obviously I just got carried away. And that's how I justify it to myself. My husband doesn't care. I can do what I like. Which is wonderful. So, I have a list of what they're called. Ooh, there's so many pretties. I'm using my zipper cutting scissors, by the way, just in case anybody was worried. Now, this is what I technically had to order. It is the Barbie pink vinyl I made the Barbie Seductress out of. That video is up. I have to make another one. So that's what we're going to do. So this is why I had to get all of my pretty things. And then, oh, this is pretty. We have, and I'm going to open this because we haven't seen this one before. This is pink crocodile. It's like a nice dusty pink, I would call that. And that's really, really pretty. I would call that dusty pink, but it is fantastic. They call it croc pink. So if you're looking for it on the website, I will put links down below. But crocodile in pink, that's going to make a really pretty something. Either I'm going to turn it into an Empress or a Vixen. Oh, maybe even a Temptress. Oh, what can I say? I love my own patterns. It's fine. So this one is called Holographic Geometric in blue. And look at this. That is going to be stunning. I have no idea what I'm doing with this yet. So just, you know, I don't know. I am open to suggestions. If you can think of a bag and you can envision this as something absolutely amazing, I am all ears. Put it in a comment below and then we'll make it up as a video. But how amazing is that? I love it. It's like a light sky blue and then it's holographic. And it's got the, so these are slightly raised. It's not a flat print. This is a little bit higher than the black. See, I don't know if you can hear that, but you can actually run your fingers along it. It is textured and you can feel a slight height difference. I really like that. That's really, really pretty. Alright, so that's the vinyls. Then we've got this. Now, my brother's daughter, no, my brother's girlfriend, sorry, not daughter. I don't know where daughter came from. My brother's girlfriend is obsessed with llamas. So I went down the rabbit hole of looking at zipper pulls, didn't I? That was not smart on a glass table. Oh my gosh. So let's start with the llama zipper pull because I thought it was really, really cute. I got it in silver because silver's safe, but look at that. It's even got like the little thing on its back. So cute. And then I got sidetracked and now we've got more things. I won't even bother putting that back in there. It's not going to fit right now. It'll take concentration that I'm not giving it. This one's cute too. So this has got like a whole thing going on. There are two of each. I'm going to show you. So we've got two bow zipper pulls. So they're both the same. So one half has got like a flower. I don't know what kind of flower. I'm not good with flowers. But like half the bow is a flower and then the other half is smooth. So I've got two of those zipper pulls in gunmetal. And then we've got these very cool things. They are strap connectors. So this is going to be some kind of a shoulder bag. And these are hinged. So like strap connector instead of a D-ring. And then just attach the strap straight on. And there's two of those and they match the zippers. So I just thought they were cool. Swivelly strap connectors in, instead of D-rings. It's like a cool alternative. I'll design the bag later. They're just really, really cool. Again, I will put links to all the stuff down below. And this one, it's got burger, fries, and Coke. So it's like fast food. That would be really cute on like a lunch bag, I should think. I feel a lunch bag in our near future. That's not focusing properly. There we go. How cool is that? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I also got zipper tape because you can never have too much zipper tape. And now that I don't stock it, my personal supplies are useless unless I want to buy like 20 meters at a time. So I just get it from other people's websites in like 1 and 2 meters, sometimes 3. But this one is the gunmetal teeth in like a dark blue. Because blue, red, and green, because of me, are probably my most common zipper colors. Just if anybody wants to know, blue is a very common zipper color. Lots of people like blue bags. Lots of people like purple, black, brown. Like if you had to only have 4 zipper color tapes, you could probably get away with just those 4. I've got red with gunmetal teeth as well. And then hot pink. And it's got rainbow zipper teeth. Like the dark rainbow. So like from a distance it looks black, but up close it's got like a rainbow sheen to it. I don't know if it's coming across in the camera. I apologize if it's not, but that is really, really fun. So it's like dark rainbow. And then, this is not out yet, but I'm going to show you. She sent me this to like do some mock-up stuff with. And this is really pretty. So this is a waterproof canvas. And how pretty are those colors? So it's like greens and blues and purples in this really pretty kind of leafy print, which I thought was really pretty. And we're going to pair it up with this mandala style zipper pull, which again, super pretty. And I really like the silver with this because it's got a lot of white. And personally, I think silver goes really nice with white. So I don't think this is out yet, but I will be doing up a video with these, and I'll release that video once she releases all the stuff so that you can have links to it all, because it's not fair of me to just give you all the things that you can't have. So that is me getting carried away with all my things. But they're so pretty. The vinyls are awesome. Who doesn't love holographic anything? Have to do, oh, maybe we should do like a backpack or a satchel or something with that. Don't know, haven't got there. This has to be a classy handbag. And I don't know what color I'm gonna pair it with yet. Probably gold hardware, probably. Not definitely, but we will see. But thank you all for tuning in and having a little bit of a look at how I get carried away. And there will be more tutorial videos coming up soon. Today I am actually at the demo at Spotlight, so that's going to be fun. Sorry, I've just put my moisturizer on. I'm doing this before everybody else wakes up. But I am at Spotlight today. I don't know if this will load in time, but if it is, 11 till 2, I'm doing a sewing demo. So come down and say hi. And yeah, thank you all for watching. Bye!